I'm just too good for my own good. There are so many projects in my mind going on at the same time. There is 1,000,000 books inside my mind that is waiting to be written, and another 1,000,000 waiting outside of my cranial doors and windows, pushing in and squeezing out the ones that were there already. It's like a bus full of people inside my head, and all these people are screaming at the same time. Being artistic or creative is great fun. But sometimes things get out of control and your main goal becomes to focus on one project and to bring it to fruition. So you should try to suppress the new ideas. But of course then on the other hand you worry that these new ideas might not come back, that they are just here momentarily, and that later your brain will be like a barren desert. So you try to catch as much as you can on paper or somewhere else, and it becomes a problem. Trust me, there is no time to lose. Definitely need a hand. There it is.